Hi friends, welcome to Swati Surbhi Astro. Hope you all are doing well nowadays. Today in this video, we would be discussing about the 2025 predictions for the Cancer zodiac sign people. Now, in general, 2025 appears to be a year full of opportunities for the Cancer zodiac sign people. It is a year which can want you to inculcate more amount of courage and proactiveness in your day-to-day life. It can make you work very hard initially, but can also reward you with massive amount of success later on. So 2025 can be a very important year for you, as it can lead you to the path of success and glory in the coming years of your life. It can act as the base or as the foundation for something big which you may want to happen with you in your near future. So in this video, I have divided the year 2025 into 3 significant periods depending upon the major planetary transits of Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu. As we proceed ahead in this video, I would be discussing about what you can expect in each of these periods for yourself, and also what can be done by you in each of these periods to make this year a better one for yourself. So please do watch this video till the end, because towards the end of this video, I would also be suggesting some simple remedies which, if done by you for each of these periods, the remedies are different. So if you do these remedies, then you can make the most of this year for yourself. Now for the first period beginning from 1st January and staying till 30th March 2025. In this period, Jupiter would be present in your 11th house, Saturn would be present in your 8th house, Rahu would be present in your 9th house and Ketu would be present in your 3rd house. On the career front, this seems to be a challenging time for you. You can be required to work very hard, even harder than normal. You may lack the support of others in your work. There can be misunderstandings with your colleagues at your place of work. You can feel frustrated with the kind of results that you get in this period. But my advice to you would be that you must inculcate patience and you must keep on working hard in this duration. On the financial front, this seems to be a good time for you, as there can be an increase in your earnings. You can gain from multiple sources. You can also gain good knowledge of speculation and can earn a huge profit from speculative activities in this period. On the marital front, this can be a good period for you. In case you are still unmarried, then your marriage may get fixed in this period. In case you are already married, then there can be a better level of understanding between you and your spouse in this period. On the health front, this seems to be an average time for you, as you may experience some kind of problem in your knees and even in your lungs to some extent. Now for the second period beginning from 31st March and staying till 18th May 2025. For majority of this period, Jupiter would be present in your 11th house. Saturn would be present in your 9th house. Rahu would be present in your 9th house and Ketu would be present in your 3rd house. On the career front, this can be a much better time for you. You can get to witness improvements in your working style. You can do smart work rather than hard work. Others can be supportive of you. Your superiors can be happy with your performance in this period. In case you are a student, then you are likely to succeed in various kinds of competitive examinations in this period. On the financial front, this seems to be an average time for you. You may not get the expected hike in your salary despite being promoted in your job. There can be slow growth in your earnings. However, you can gain a lot of knowledge about various things related to finances and this can eventually lead to an improvement in your finances in the long run. On the marital front, this seems to be a good period for you, as you can become more fortunate by following the advice of your spouse in this duration. There can be domestic peace and harmony witnessed by you in this period, and you can feel contented on the home front. On the health front, you can experience some problems in your feet and also in your stomach in this period. Now for the third period beginning from 19th May and staying till 31st December 2025. In this period, Jupiter would be present in your 12th house, Saturn would be present in your 9th house, Rahu would be present in your 8th house and Ketu would be present in your 2nd house. On the career front, this seems to be an above average time for you. The situation can improve for you at your place of work. You can get good results of your efforts in this period. In case you are transferred to some undesirable location by virtue of your job, then now is the time when you can be able to relocate near your hometown. On the financial front, this seems to be an average period for you. There can be slow growth in your income. You may feel financially dissatisfied. Some of you can even experience loss of wealth in this period, especially those of you who are already having Ketu placed in the second house of their main birth chart. On the marital front, this seems to be a challenging period for you, as there can be frequent quarrels and misunderstandings with your spouse in this period. You may find that your spouse's attitude towards you is changing bit by bit. You can start doubting your spouse a lot in this period, and this in turn can hurt the sentiments of your spouse. Now, remedies for the Cancer zodiac sign people. So, in the first period, beginning from 1st January and staying till 30th March 2025, if you are Cancer zodiac sign, then you should keep a square piece of silver with you, especially at the time of sleeping. You should mix some milk in your bathing water and should wash your face with such water at least once in a day. You should also try to keep your character upright in this period. Now, for the second period, beginning from 31st March 2025 and staying till 18th May 2025. In this period, if you are a Cancer zodiac sign person, then you should chant the Saraswati Vandana or the Durga Chalisa every Tuesday and also every Thursday. You should avoid wearing black and grey colored clothes in this period, and you should also try maintaining a good relationship with your in-laws in this period. Now, for the third period, beginning from 19th May and staying till 31st December 2025. In this period, you should chant the Gayatri mantra every morning, preferably at the time of sunrise. You should try feeding the stray dogs in your locality, and you should also avoid wearing blue colored clothes in this period. So friends, that was all in this video. I hope you all liked this video. If you all liked it and gained even some little knowledge through this video, then please do share it with your friends and with other members of your family. And please do subscribe my channel. The name of my channel is Swati Surbhi Astro. I would keep putting in more efforts to bring in more such interesting videos for you in the future as well. And also please do press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of the videos on time. Thank you.